Imagine a world where every website loads instantly, no matter where you are. This is the promise of content delivery networks, the hidden backbone of the internet. With over 10,000 networks spanning the globe, CDNs are the unsung heroes of online content delivery. Chapter Network Architecture, about the inner workings of CDN networks and content delivery. A CDN network consists of a series of interconnected nodes, each acting as a caching layer for content. These nodes are strategically located in data centers around the world, with over 400,000 servers in the United States alone. Companies like Akamai and Cloudflare operate massive networks, with Akamai's network spanning over 1,300 locations in more than 130 countries. For instance, Akamai has over 200,000 servers, while Cloudflare boasts over 100,000 servers worldwide. The goal of these networks is to reduce latency and improve the user experience by bringing content closer to the end user. By caching content at multiple locations, CDNs can reduce the distance between the user and the content, resulting in faster load times and improved performance. With the rise of online streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, which account for over 70% of peak internet traffic in the US, the importance of efficient CDN networks has never been more critical. Chapter Content Caching, about the inner workings of CDN networks and content delivery. When a user requests content, the CDN checks if a valid copy is stored in the nearest edge server, typically located within 10 miles of the user. If it is, the content is delivered directly from the edge server, reducing the latency and load on the origin server. For instance, companies like Netflix and Amazon rely heavily on CDNs to distribute their content, with Netflix alone accounting for over 30% of peak internet traffic in the US. This caching process can reduce the load time of a website by up to 50%, with some CDNs boasting cache hit rates of over 90%, such as Akamai and Cloudflare. By minimizing the distance between the user and the content, CDNs can significantly improve the user experience, with some studies showing that a 1-second delay in load time can result in a 7% reduction in conversions. With the average user expecting a web page to load in under 3 seconds, the importance of effective content caching cannot be overstated. The inner workings of CDN networks and content delivery is a complex process that relies heavily on routing optimization. CDNs use advanced routing algorithms to determine the most efficient path for content delivery, taking into account factors like network congestion, latency, and server availability. This ensures that content is delivered via the fastest possible route, resulting in a seamless user experience. Companies like Verizon Digital Media Services and Akamai use real-time analytics to optimize their routing, resulting in average latency reductions of 30% and in some cases up to 50%. For example, a study by Verizon found that by using their routing optimization algorithm, they were able to reduce latency by 35% for video content and 42% for gaming content. This is particularly important for online gaming and video streaming, where high latency can be frustrating for users. By optimizing routing, CDNs can ensure that content is delivered quickly and efficiently, even during peak usage times, with some CDNs handling over 100,000 requests per second. Chapter Security Features, about the inner workings of CDN networks and content delivery. CDNs often provide built-in security features, such as SSL encryption, DDoS protection, and web application firewalls, to help safeguard websites from common cyber threats. For instance, some CDNs are capable of blocking over 10,000 malicious requests per second, significantly reducing the risk of security breaches. Companies like Google Cloud CDN and Amazon CloudFront offer advanced security features, including IP blocking and rate limiting, to further protect websites from potential attacks. According to recent statistics, DDoS attacks have increased by over 50% in the past year alone, making the need for robust security features more pressing than ever. By leveraging these security features, websites can ensure a safe and secure browsing experience for their users, with some CDNs even providing real-time monitoring and alerts to help identify and mitigate potential threats. Additionally, companies like Akamai and Verizon Digital Media Services also provide comprehensive security solutions, giving website owners a range of options to choose from when it comes to protecting their online presence. Chapter: Real-World Applications, about the inner workings of CDN networks and content delivery. CDNs are used by some of the world's most popular websites, including Netflix, Facebook, and Twitter, to deliver high-quality content to their users. Netflix alone streams over 100 million hours of content per day, with a significant portion of this traffic being handled by CDNs. In fact, it is estimated that over 50% of all internet traffic is now carried by CDNs, with companies like Akamai and Verizon Digital Media Services being major players in the industry. Other use cases include live event streaming, online gaming, and e-commerce, with companies like Amazon using CDNs to improve their website's performance and reliability. For example, during the 2020 Super Bowl, over 3.4 million people streamed the event live, with CDNs helping to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted viewing experience. By reducing latency and improving content delivery, CDNs have become a crucial component of the online ecosystem, enabling companies to reach a global audience and provide high-quality services to their users. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of CDN networks. If you want to learn more about the technology that powers the internet, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our next video on the future of edge computing.